Hello everyone, my name is Rajat and welcome back to my channel wherein we are dedicated in providing informative content on various topics in the field of Lean Six Sigma. So let's start. So in today's video, we will go ahead and discuss about the causes of Lean Six Sigma failure. So the first one that we want to discuss about here is organizational culture. अब organization culture में people will say we have tried this before and it failed. So this is the first and foremost thing that people will say to you while you go ahead and suggest them some changes as per Lean Six Sigma. So the second one that is there is everyone have their own agendas. So this is like everyone will say that we'll work on this or we'll work on this. So there is no unified approach. People tend to try and work in silos, and due to this there is lack of communication. So lack of communication is one of the most important reason that is there for failure of any Lean Six Sigma project. Okay. Now, if it drill down further, management support is the second foremost thing that we want to discuss here. So management में क्या आता है? Management में आता है not attending toll gate meetings. So after every phase of Lean Six Sigma project, there is a toll gate meeting. So management doesn't attend it. So that's a failure point. The second one being lack of control. किसका control of completed projects? So if in an organization there were n number of projects that were done before the current one and there is no control over it, so the project will fail. So lack of control is another one. Not providing full-time resources. If there are no full-time resources and there are shared resources, that being said, आधा project में काम कर रहा है, आधा BAU कर रहा है. So this project will fail. No retention program. So if a person is working on something important, a project, and that person resigns, and that's a very crucial member for us, and there is no retention being done, the project will fail because that person, apart from the current project, will also help us in some of the previous projects that are into control phase and also helping us with the current one and will also help us in the future ones. So that's another one. Lack of right projects. So हमारी प्रॉब्लम जो थी y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स, हमने जो y निकाला वो गलत था. So the project will eventually fail. The fifth one that we are going to discuss about is resistance. So the employees don't want to change, right? And the sixth one and the foremost, the important one is appreciation. You think of working in an organization wherein you work 8 hours a day working on process improvement and then there is no appreciation. The motivation factor goes down and hence you don't feel like working. So the appreciation is another one. Now let's go ahead and study this one. This is an important one. So I'll go ahead and plot time here and effort here. So commitment and So if we see here, the initial effort that is required on commitment is high, but with time it reduces. Whereas for compliance, the initial effort is very low, but with time it increases. So it's always better to be committed. A committed employee is better than a compliant one. So जो committed होगा अपनी job को लेके, उसको initially effort लगेगा commitment बनाने के लिए, but with time उसको he will get used to it. But if we talk about the compliance thing, initially effort कम है, किसी को डंडा मार के बिठाने में effort कम है, but with time the effort will certainly increase. So it's always better to be committed than to be compliant. Or I can say it the other way, that commitment में effort कम लगता है with time, but compliance में effort ज़्यादा लगता है with time. So with that thought, we come to an end to this video. Hope you enjoyed it and you learned more about the Lean Six Sigma failures. So please subscribe to my channel, that is much needed. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you.